Car Hub.
What's up guys, welcome back to Car Hub, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take off the oil filter on a 2010 to current Prius. So I've had a few people comment on how to take out the oil filter on these Priuses. These oil filters can be a little difficult at times to change, so I'm going to show you a couple ways to do it. Oh, and make sure you're subscribed and like this video because we do a bunch of Prius videos. First tool we got is from Blue Point, and these are actually made for these Prius filters. So we're going to use this and slide over the top of it, and we'll get under there and show you. Make sure to drain the oil before removing the oil filter. There's our filter right there by the drain plug. First, you want to take off this clip that holds the oil filter cap on. So once you pull that off, we're going to slide this Prius oil filter cap tool over the top. Now that we got the tool slid all the way over the cap, it's time to get a 7/8 wrench and break it loose. That's fine. If you don't have the oil filter tool, the second way to take this off is with a hammer and a chisel. We're going to use this hammer and chisel, but this way you have to be careful because you could chip the casing on the oil filter. Now that we got it out, time to put a new oil filter in it. Inspect your O-ring. And then it's ready to install. All right, guys, we got the oil filter back on. Oil filter is changed. We got the clip back in it, and we're all set, ready to put the oil back in it. Make sure to like and subscribe, as it really helps me out and helps just kind of helps support me doing these videos for you guys. But other than that, have a good day and subscribe.